Well, friends, Dell here, and what we have here is my favorite drink. Got a whole bunch of it right here. We got a brand new, more lemonade right. This not too bad there either. We've got mac and cheese. We've got these kind of waffle kind of fries, and we have the. Can I say the brand name?
Yeah.
The Chick-fil-A sauce, apparently for the fries or for the waffle fries. Basically, a mac and cheese review. So that's what the Chick-fil-A sauce looks like, sort of a, I don't know, a beige color, a little bit tan.
Oh yeah.
Tastes great. So speaking about lemonade, way to go. Do it on TV.
You got any left in there?
Yeah, a little bit. There's still some left. It's getting to me, so I'm going to have to move. I got to go to work in a little while. Let's see. This is the napkin.
Here's another one.
I tell you one thing about this channel, everything's real. It's not put on in any way, shape, or form. What you see is what you get. Boy, look at all this ice around there. Ice over here. Ice down the couch, too. And so I just was, oh, I got the lemon here. I'm gonna be without that.
The couch will smell nice now.
Yeah, something you like.
Something new, something
So,
different.
finally, I'll get my lemonade.
When we get the gallon as a backup.
It's lucky I got the gallon here for just in case. Pretty good either way.
Which one do you like better?
Used to doing it this way.
Going all in. It's all or nothing on this channel. Yeah, just keep it on the edge.
Some of the ice went down in between.
Okay. Well, good thing we cleaned under the couch, so.
Just get more couches.
So, and here's my lemon.
Zooming in some of that couch ice. Nothing stopping Dell though. Our protagonist is still going. A little slip up doesn't stop him. You think the tray helped getting the lemonade off of you when it spilled? Did it catch any of it?
Tray is dry.
Oh.
I'm not, but the tray is. Couch isn't.
Yeah, but the couch has been through worse. The olive oil incident.
Yeah, I remember when they made brownies on this couch.
The brownie incident, yeah.
I don't remember that, any of this.
Maybe it's a good thing.
This, I think, has that little ring around it yet.
Oh, you want the ring off?
It look like I'm gonna get it off without tools. Boy, that's good lemonade.
Fresh from the cow.
This might be one. A little spicy. Should be live streaming this.
By that time we got that French lemonade, came in a fancy bottle with that cork type outfit and
Yeah, you
the
say
metal harness. Tasted awful. Just awful. They must have a different idea about what they consider lemonade.
Is that
But
different than the Oberweis?
Yeah.
I
This
still kept the bottle too.
It was like a sparkling lemonade. I
That's
think.
sparkling.
How do you like chicken lemonade?
Don't know. Pretty happy with lemon lemonade. Non-sparkling.
Yeah, sparkling ruins it. I think we made our own lemonade here before, right? It was a little tougher
Yeah, it was grittier.
because it was just straight up lemon. I think it was strong. You don't usually see this side. It's just supposed to put like another piece of couch.
Yeah. So, what stood out to you the most out of this meal?
Well, actually, I liked everything. Normally, I've been eating several pieces of the waffle fries without the sauce, but normally I would have probably sauced up everything. So my jacket's wet. I'm a little wet down there. The couch I think the couch got the worst of it. So, as usual, as I mentioned, you get it real here, folks, on this channel. Nothing Hollywoodized. It's all real. So we'll see you next time.